Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video we're going to be unboxing this smartwatch together. I got this watch as a gift a few days ago and I've not unboxed it yet because I wanted to make sure I had time to make a video to unbox it with you guys. Or MyKronoz Smartwatch ZeTime, so MyKronoz ZeTime Smartwatch, and there's really nothing on the box, just a serial number here. Yeah, nothing really, so I guess let's just get inside. And now that we have that off, yes, this is easier to see now. Designed in Switzerland, ZeTime. So just straight into the box. Okay, we have here thank you in many languages. Okay, nice touch, I guess. And we have some soft touch material here. I'm digging the unboxing experience. Nice touch there, and wow. Okay, now presentation 10/10. You know, nobody gets 10/10 from me. 9/10 for presentation, and this just looks great. From what I saw online, I didn't really look at it a lot. It's supposed to be some kind of hybrid mix, day-to-day what you wear, fashion watch or whatever, and a smartwatch. So as we continue, ZeTime gets started. I have all the literature in here, and okay, on back, social media, contact and stuff. Okay, and inside here we have, okay, telling us to download the ZeTime app and a loyalty card. Okay, I'm feeling loyal to them already. Kronos Care, and yeah, so we have in this. So in here we have a cable. Okay, it's a regular micro USB connector. Yeah, have some straps here. Doesn't really feel high quality, but yeah, have another pair, so two straps. Get two straps, which is nice, I guess. And the watch itself, I don't know what this is, but I'm guessing it's part of the watch somehow. Oh, probably the charger. The charger, it has to be the charger. Nice MyKronoz logo there. So this definitely is better. It clicks. Oh, I'm enjoying that. And I need to pry it out somehow. And this is the watch. There's nothing else in the box, as you can see. I like it so far. I have to say I like it so far. We'll have to see how this works. I must say I really like the vibe I'm getting from this app so far. Like, the app looks really clean, and I am even more excited to see what this watch can do. So let me get to setting it up. The app is pretty nice, and I must say there are a lot of nice watch faces to choose from, and just feel like I'm spoiled for choice. It looks nice, quite stylish, and I guess this is what they mean by dual watch whatever. So looks like a regular watch like this, and when you turn on the display, you have your smartwatch. I already got a notification on my watch here, which I saw earlier. Yes, message from my friend. Anyways guys, that's been the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.